Ever wondered why items explode in your travel luggage? Picture this. A common traveler, let's call her Sarah, is eagerly packing for her grand European adventure. Her excitement is palpable as she dreams of the cobblestone streets and the charming cafes she'll soon be exploring. But first, she must conquer the mountain of clothes, toiletries, and travel essentials sprawled across her bed. Sarah's packing strategy is the same every trip. Stuff as much as she can into her suitcase, cross her fingers, and hope it closes. She's wrestling with zippers, sitting on her suitcase, and it's a struggle. She's overpacking and she knows it, but she convinces herself she'll need everything. Fast forward to Sarah's arrival. She unzips her suitcase, and boom! An explosion of shampoo soaks her favorite sweater. It's a packing paradox she faces every trip, and maybe you can relate. But don't despair. The mystery behind these exploding items isn't as complex as you might think. So, what's causing these travel disasters? Let's unravel the mystery. The culprit behind these mishaps is a combination of pressure changes and temperature fluctuations that your luggage experiences during the journey. Imagine your shampoo bottle or your favorite jar of jam. At ground level, the pressure inside and outside these containers is balanced. However, as your airplane ascends, the cabin pressure decreases, making the pressure inside your containers relatively higher. This difference in pressure can cause your containers to burst open, leading to a messy situation. Now, let's add temperature into the mix. Your luggage may go from a cool airport to a hot airplane hold, causing items to expand. This expansion can lead to even more pressure buildup, making it more likely for your items to explode. So, the combination of pressure changes and temperature fluctuations is what's causing your travel items to explode. But don't worry, with a few simple hacks, you can avoid these travel mishaps. Ready to become a packing pro? Let's dive right in. First off, consider investing in vacuum bags. Not only do they save space by compressing your clothes, they also protect them from spills and leaks. Simply fold your garments, place them in the bag, and suck out the air. Voila, you have more room in your suitcase than you ever thought possible. Next on our list are packing cubes. These little lifesavers organize your luggage like nothing else. Think of them as mini drawers in your suitcase. You can categorize your clothes by type, day, or even outfit. The choice is yours. Plus, they make unpacking a breeze. No more digging through a mountain of clothes to find that one shirt. Now, let's talk about the layering method. Start with your shoes and heavy items at the bottom, then layer up with lighter items. This keeps your luggage balanced and prevents your clothes from getting wrinkled. Remember to fill your shoes with socks or other small items to maximize space. Moving on to toiletries, they're often the culprits behind exploding items in your luggage. To avoid this, always pack them in a waterproof bag. And here's a pro tip. Put a piece of plastic wrap under the cap of your liquid bottles. This creates a seal and prevents leaks. As for electronics, they need some special attention. Wrap cords and chargers in a small towel or bubble wrap to prevent tangling and damage. Always pack your electronics in the middle of your suitcase, surrounded by soft items for extra padding. Here's a bonus tip. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. Not only does this save space, it also reduces wrinkles. You can even roll outfits together for easy access. Lastly, never forget to leave a little room for souvenirs. You never know what treasures you might find on your travels. With these tips, you'll be a master packer in no time. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. The packing paradox is a common struggle among travelers. The mystery behind why items explode in your travel luggage is often due to pressure changes during flight, coupled with poor packing techniques. Shampoo bottles, aerosols, and other pressure-sensitive items are particularly vulnerable. Now, mastering the art of packing involves a few key strategies. Firstly, pack smart. Use travel-sized containers for liquids and distribute weight evenly throughout your luggage. Secondly, respect the power of pressure. Ensure your containers are not overfilled and are well sealed. Thirdly, utilize packing cubes and roll your clothes instead of folding them. This not only saves space, but also helps to prevent wrinkles. Lastly, remember the golden rule of packing: less is more. It's always better to pack light and leave some room for souvenirs. Remember, packing doesn't have to be a chore. With these tips, you can turn it into an art.